Namaskar everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about sources of light. So first of all, what is sources of light? The object that gives out the light is called sources of light. So there are two types of sources of light: natural sources of light and human-made sources of light. So natural sources of the sources of light that occurs in nature are called natural sources of light. Like sun, fireflies, stars are few examples of natural sources of light. So then, human-made sources of light. The sources of light that are made by man are called human-made sources of light. For example, bulb, torch, and tube lights are made by man, and the humans can use these materials. Next, what is luminous object? The objects that produce their own light are called luminous objects. For example, sun, fireflies, and stars are the few examples of luminous objects. So, what is non-luminous object? The objects that do not produce their own light are called non-luminous objects. For example, moon, people, and chair. Because moon take light from the sun. That's why the moon shine at the night. Next, the material. The materials are classified into three categories: transparent material, translucent material, and opaque material. Transparent material, the material that allow light to pass through them are called transparent material. Like the material that allow light to pass through them are called transparent material, and through transparent material we can see clearly anything. The examples are clean water, clear glass, etc. These are the few examples of transparent material. Second, translucent material. The object that allows some of light to pass through them. The examples are butter paper, grounded glass, these are the few examples of translucent material. Third, opaque material. The material that do not allow any of light to pass through them are called opaque material. Examples are wood, book, etc.